Hi, my name is Alex, and I got home and I found my new Starlooks box on the doorstep, and I am so excited to open it. I'm going to do an unboxing for you. So let's get going. Here I am opening it. I'm so excited. Pulling it out. Oh my goodness, look at it. It's so pretty, and it's got this great elastic silver thing holding it together. Let's take it off and take a look inside. Oh, the first thing I see is a card, and I think we're supposed to get hints. That's what the back is. You can pause and read it if you want. I'm going to just start unboxing things. Okay. All right, so let's see. What's the first thing I see? Oh, what is it? Oh, this looks like a lip liner. Oh, it's a Starlooks lip liner. It's the color Tickle Me Pink. Isn't that beautiful? Let me swatch it on my hand for you. Oh, there it is. It needs to be sharpened now, but that's okay. I got a swatch for you. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's see what else is in my box. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the box. It has 3 full-size items in it and a surprise. And it costs $15 to your door. I'm going to include subscription information down below with a discount coupon that you can use. At least I think there's a discount coupon. So this is pretty. It's a lip gloss. A Starlooks lip gloss called Classy Starlooks Pro. Let me swatch it on my hand for you. Oh my, this is a beautiful color. It's hard to get the lid back on. I went the wrong way at first, but I'm just little. I'll get used to it. There we go. Now, look at the color on the back of my hand. Oh, that's so pretty. It's going to look so nice on the lips for spring colors. I think there's another beauty item in the box. So while I'm opening this, I'll tell you that these lip products retailed at $26. This next beauty item is a little bit different, I think. Oh, here it is. Let me hold it up to the camera so you can see. It's called a Makeup Remover Pen. New Starlooks Makeup Remover Pen retails at $14. It says the incredible handy tool will not only help remove unwanted fallout or accidental makeup application glitches, but you'll finally have the tool to define and perfect your eye and lip designs. Stay tuned for your Star Blast this month, and we'll teach you why this item is your new BFF. Okay, we don't need to swatch this one because it's just because it doesn't have a color. I'm going to show you how well it works though. Now, see how it made that line right through that lipstick? That's some pretty powerful stuff. We're going to stop swatching this now though. So, remember I said there was a surprise in it? I'm going to show you the surprise now. After I get this on good and tight. Oh, it snaps together in the end. Isn't that cool? The Starlooks box comes with this cool crystal. I'm going to put it right up to the green thing to make it look super big. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Subscribe to my channel. And, oh, here's the swatch of the lip liner. And here's the swatch of the lip gloss. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye now.